Remember Happy Days and the Fonz? Goodbye, gray sky, hello, blue. The Fonz was so cool and composed. If there was a problem, he would fix it. Jukebox not working? He'd just hit it with his elbow and it'd start playing his favorite record without him even having to pay for it. Hey! Question is, just how did he manage to maintain his composure no matter what? Maintaining composure can be difficult, especially when you work in customer service. When you're in the front line for customer complaints and problems, you'll often have to deal with people who are, well, let's just say they're less than happy. And if you don't stay calm and composed, there's every chance you'll make the situation worse. This course will help you figure out how to stay detached but remain empathetic, handle difficult situations calmly, and control your stress levels to make maintaining composure a little easier.